finally I have swapped front inner sensors. So let's see if any changes. Ignition on. Wow, that's cool. Let's go again. One more time. Wow. Alright, at the moment is after I swap in the sensors, then now we are seeing is front left inner sensor pattern signals. Right, now we are seeing is front right inner sensor circuit. Yeah, I've got finally got a new sensor. So just give a shot here. Here's a new sensor. Here's the other one. There's a box for the new sensor. At the moment of truth, ignition on. Watching this. Yeah, it's gone. So now it got a B. Parking assistance on. If I go to the front now, I just leave it here. Go to the front. Yeah, front sensor is working. Now go to the reverse. Alright, full electrical brakes on. Reverse. Yeah! Oh, fixed. Now it's working now. Ignition on. I'm getting a signal. I'm monitor the signal of the front left inner sensor, so you can see how it's about 6.7 volts, but you can see the switch in here very rapidly. Yeah, now I pull out the front left inner sensor, so it's beeping. Probably can hear, hopefully. Yeah, it's switching now. Now ignition on. One beep, that's it. That's good. The sensor is working fine. The module is happy.